Alright, welcome back to Sebeleva YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be your tutor who's going to guide you how to solve definite integrals. Alright, when the both lower and the upper limits are being given, how to solve it to get a unit. Alright, so let's consider this question over here. Let's consider this question. The integral of 3x squared plus 2x plus 4 dx. The lower limit is 1 and the upper limit is 3. And this is how we solve it. This is how the solution is. Alright. So you will integrate the function 3x squared plus 2x plus 4. You integrate that function, and this is the result we are going to get. Then this is the limit, the lower and the upper limit over here, 1 and 3. Alright, so this is how it is being done. So we are going to put in the 3 into the function we got, which is 3 cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x. Here the 3 bishop, then this is how it's going to be, minus the lower limit. So the answer we are going to have is 42. So let's confirm with the calculator how we are going to use the calculator to solve such question. My main work over here is to teach you how to use the calculator to solve such question, in case you've seen some in the OBJ. This question, I don't think they'll bring it to the subjective or the AC part for you to work and get it easy. No, maybe in the OBJ. So in the OBJ, I don't want you to spend much time and work and solve it. Yes. So I want to guide you over here and work with the calculator little. Alright. So on the calculator, you turn on our calculator. Then we select from the integral sign. Alright. So what was the question? This is the question. Evaluate 3x, so our bracket, then 3, our x is this, and you can see the font over there, the color is red. So we're going to select alpha, then we select our x squared, so this is our square sign over here, plus 2 and s, so alpha and s, our bracket close sign, then plus 4, then we close our bracket. Alright, so it has left with the lower limit of the integral and the upper limit too. So you press the forward arrow sign, it's going to take you to the lower limit. So the lower limit is 1. After that, you press the same place, take it to the upper limit, which is 3. So we are done with our question. So our next thing to do is to press equal to, and our answer is 42. So let's confirm from the solution. Alright, so it is 42. Alright, so we are correct over here. So let's consider the next question. The next question is this. Alright, so the next question, the same thing. So you can pause the video and try this question and try this question, the question 2. You can pause the video. You can pause the video and try the question 2. You can pause the video and try the question 2. Here's the question. X plus 1 all into one bracket open, x squared minus 2x plus 2 bracket close, multiplying this all over x squared. So the question is x plus 1 all in one bracket multiplying x squared minus 2x plus 2, multiplying everything over x squared. Then the lower limit is 1 and the upper limit is 2. Alright, the x. So this is the definite integrals we are talking about over here, because after you have done working, you will get a whole or a real number. Yeah, you will get a real number or a unit, a given unit, either 3, 1.5, 1.6. Yeah, so let's check the solution over here. So the solution to the question 2 is this. So this is how it starts. This is the question, and this is how it's being done. This is how it's being done. So you can pause the video and monitor how it is being done, and the answer they got was 1.5. So let's try with the calculator. My main work is to teach you how to use the calculator. Alright, so let's try with the calculator. Then our over sign. Okay, so we select our bracket, then x alpha x plus 1 bracket close bracket open, alpha x squared minus 2x plus 2 all over, has taken us to the denominator, all over x squared. Then you press your forward button, then it takes you to the lower limit, then you press 1, which is 1, lower limit is 1, syntax error, how come the syntax error? And our upper limit is what, 2. Alright, so we are done with the whole question. So let's press equal to, let's see the solution I'm going to get. Three on two. Alright, thanks for learning with a believer. You can try with this question, these examples over here. You can try it. You can try this example too. You can jot it down. Thanks very much for learning with a believer. Have a nice day.